Hi, I'm Melissa White, CEO of Lucky Bloke with Ask an Expert, answering your sex and relationship questions. Today's question is, I hear a lot about lube and one of my friends swears it makes sex better, but to be honest, we don't use it and I really don't know much about it. Is lube important? You are not alone. A lot of people get confused when it comes to lube. There are several situations when using lube will increase your sexual pleasure, especially where condoms are concerned. If a couple uses a few drops of lube inside of the condom and an amount that feels right to them on the outside, they are both going to notice a heightened pleasure. Imagine taking a dry latex glove and rubbing it across your arm. Ouch. Now imagine the same glove lubricated. Slick. Transfer that concept to your most sensitive areas and it's a no-brainer. Most condom users think that because they're buying lubricated condoms, they don't need to add lube. However, when condoms are packaged, they are entirely rolled up before the lube is squirted into the foil. You may have noticed unrolling a condom to find out that the top half is lubricated and the bottom half is dry. Now you know why. A well-lubricated condom is also a safer condom. Not only will the slickness of lube enhance your enjoyment, lube will make sex with a condom much safer by making it wet, less friction, and less likely the condom will break. A few tips. Always use water-based or silicone-based lube. Never use an oil-based lube with a condom because you run the risk of damaging the condom. Water-based lubes are easy to clean up with water. They are slippery and may need to be reapplied. Silicone-based lubes are slick and can be used in water, hot tubs, bathtubs, all the like. Arousal lubes, generally water-based, will enhance the experience by warming, tingling, or adding something more. Flavored lubes also add a certain tastiness to the experience. They come in many flavors, some are even organic. Desensitizing lubes can help men to last longer. If that'll help your partner for endurance, they're the way to go. As you can see, there are many fantastic lubes to meet many different types of needs. I hope this lube primer gives you the confidence you need to give some great lubes a try. Head on over to Lucky Bloke and check out our very best selection of lubes from around the world. Connect with Lucky Bloke at yourtango.com/experts/luckybloke.